Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel and welcome for the first time for some of you. My name is Patranila and you are watching Patranila TV, where we talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, and personal tech, and where my personal motto is do all the things. If you are a jack of all trades or a Jill of all trades and you refuse to be put in a box, click the subscribe button and we can hang out. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about one of my new favorite subscription boxes, and it is in the lifestyle space, and it is the the Fab Fit Fun box. Fun. Okay, so I kind of was resisting this box for a really long time, and I don't really know why. I am a big fan of lifestyle boxes. I recently did a review of the Rachel Zoe box of style, which is more of a style box than a lifestyle box, but because she does beauty and style pieces as well as some things for the home, we're going to call that a lifestyle box. I'll put the link up here for you so you can check that one out as well. And I will have links to this fabulous box in the description. And this is the editor's box that I got as my first one, and I think I'm going to be very, very excited about what we find in this one. This shipped actually sometime in December, I think it was. Yeah, December, maybe January. I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't matter because I have lots of things in boxes that sit, and so this is as new to me as it is to you. So let's get all into it. All right. Fab Fit Fun, your box is full of secrets and we're sharing them. Okay, they have this magazine that apparently is telling you all this stuff. Oh, and it's got all kinds of, look, 5 ways to boost your workout. There's actually a stuff in here. Okay, so it's not just a product description thing. You know, in those boxes, in most subscription boxes, there's just a list of what all the products are, but this is a little bit more. Okay, so I'm excited to read that. So this is a note from us. Oh, this is the card that tells you what's in the box. And we're not going to read, we're going to show. Okay, so first thing up, there is Turn Dinner Stress into Dinner Time, which is a $60 gift card from HelloFresh. If you know anything about me, and maybe you don't because maybe you're brand new here, your girl doesn't like to cook. Your girl is addicted to Seamless and Uber Eats and anybody that will bring me already prepared food. Well, that gets really expensive after a while, and so a girl has got to, you know, cook once in a while. So Instacart has become my favorite thing now, where they bring you your groceries. But of course, these these boxes that come, the meal is already done. You don't have to think about it. You know, HelloFresh, Chef's Apron, Blue Apron, some of those things. I don't know. $60 gift card to that. All right, we'll take that. And so this is enjoy this exclusive from Donnie. This is some kind of a throw or a scarf or something. What is this? This says the Donnie tricolor scarf, valued at $99. It's nice. It's warm. It's soft. We like this. Okay, that's a good one. And then there's another big wampa in here. This is Mark and Graham personalized gifts. This looks also like a blanket of some sort. Oh, this is a throw. And it is also color blocked. I'm sensing a theme here in this box. And I do love a good throw, I have to say. Where's the color blocking part? This all seems like one color. It's very subtle shades of gray. Look at that. Okay, this is beautiful though. And right up my alley in terms of color scheme for both my studio office, the room that we're in, and what will be my newly decorated living room when I get it together. All right, let's see what else we have. We have the Thrive Cosmetics. We like them. Very popular beauty brand on the upswing. Let's see. Thrive Cosmetics is giving us the Brilliant Eye Brightener. Instantly highlight your eyes, Cupid's bow, and more with the Silky Champagne Eye Brightener, which is infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. I have never heard of meadow foam oil, but okay, let's see what this looks like. It's very champagne-y. This looks like it would work quite well on a lot of different skin tones. It's not too bright, so it'll work well for warmer, darker tones as well as lighter toned skin. Next up is the Spongel Beach Grass Body Wash Infused Buffer. So I'm going to take this out of the box. We all know what buffers are, but let's look at it. That smells good. What is this? Beach grass, I guess, is the name of the fragrance that this is. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. We like that. We have some Kate Somerville Exfoliate. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been testing out this exfoliate. It is quite a good exfoliator, and lots of people really, really like it. I am a big fan of exfoliators in general because they turn over new skin. And that's how you keep your young look, girls and guys. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. And you really should be exfoliating in some way every day. So you get that skin turnover, that cell turnover, so you're always getting newer, fresher skin. And then we have the René Futterer Paris Karité Hydra Ritual Hydration. All right. I'm not even going to pretend to know what this is, so I'm going to do a little reading. Okay, the René Futterer Karité Hydra is infused with it's a hydrating shine mask. That confuses me, but let's read on. Infused with nourishing shea oil, this deep conditioning mask gives your hair optimal hydration for silky, smoothie locks. Now it makes sense because somehow in my mind I thought it was a skincare product. I'm embarrassed for my own self. Okay, it's for the hair. Hydrate and shine for your hair. I was like, who wants a shiny skin? Dewy, sure. Moisturize, yes. Shiny? Not so much. And then we have Uplift 3 essential oils. And the 3 that we have are eucalyptus, lemongrass, and sweet orange. Oh, listen. A girl does love some essential oils. And these are, I'm totally liking this dark bottle. That's sexy. Look at that. This is the lemongrass. So, as I said, yeah, lemongrass, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. Eucalyptus is one of my favorites. It's that spa smell. Let's see if there's anything special about these. Now, Way of Will Uplift Essential Oil Set. Sweet orange is used on the temples or stomach for cramps and headaches. Eucalyptus can be applied to sore muscles, and lemongrass helps reduce discomfort of injured muscles. Okay. Oh, this is going to be really helpful. Listen, got several uses for these. And next up, yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this box. Next up is the Black Eye Mask. Yes, a girl needs eye treatments because I see that I'm starting to get some fine lines and wrinkles. All right, this is Black BLAQ Hydrogel Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid, and there's a 5-pack. There are 5 in here. Probably gonna do a follow-up on these because I'm really interested in eye masks now. I'm a big sheet mask fan, and I talk about those a lot on the blog, the Patranila Project, link in the description. But I haven't had very many eye masks. So I do want to get into those because, you know, your eyes are the places where you start to show age first. All right, and lastly is seemingly a piece for home. It's a set of bowls. Oh, check it. How many are in here? 1, 2, look, that's a pretty, almost Tiffany blue. We like that. 3. So we have pink, blue, and green, and the green is kind of a sage. And these are for Le Home from Pier 1. Okay, and there's a bit of a discount code for these. You can get 10% off at Pier 1 using code 2105. I will put that information in the description box as well, so you guys can score some of these things. These are ceramic prep bowls, mini ceramic prep bowls. Take your kitchen to the next level with these chic ceramic nesting bowls. They are correct. Chic is the name of the game. That is everything that we have in the Fab Fit Fun box. This is the editor's box. I am duly impressed. It is the first one that I have gotten, and as I just started my subscription, I think in early January or late December, so I just got this box maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I am really impressed with the number of products and the breadth of those products. So that's it for us today. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more like this. And drop a comment below and let me know if there is a box that you really have been interested in checking out, but you want me to check it out first. I will be happy to do that. I should also say that Fab Fit Fun did not send me this box. I spent my very own money on it, and this is not a sponsored video. I will always disclose sponsored posts and videos. So thanks again for stopping by. Remember to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and share this video if you really want to be special to me, because we could all use a little bit of special in life. So thanks for stopping by. I'm Patranila, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.